When it comes to ensuring clean and safe drinking water, choosing the right water filter is crucial. So in this video, we'll explore 3 types of water filtration systems for different situations. We'll discuss the pros and cons of each option, including their effectiveness in removing contaminants, their cost, and their maintenance requirements. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of which water filtration system is best for your needs and your budget. We've gone through and laid out the pros and cons of every single type of water filter in the downloads below, and also some links to buy some recommended filters. But now, let's go through our top 3 options. So reverse osmosis RO filters are the gold standard in removing many contaminants, including bacteria, fluoride, heavy metals, chlorine, VOCs. They do a great job. Now, these systems typically include additional extra pre and post filters alongside the reverse osmosis filter, which produces exceptionally clean water. However, RO systems do come with some drawbacks. They're relatively expensive to purchase, install, and maintain, as they need to be plumbed in and they require professional installation. Additionally, they do waste a lot of water during their filtration, usually 5 times the amount of water filtered it wastes. And they require adequate under the sink space for the holding tank as well. Now, an under sink reverse osmosis system will set you back anywhere from $600 to $2,500. Some RO systems are available as benchtop models these days too. Just be mindful you're getting one without wireless. Now, a twin or triple stage portable or under sink system, these are going to be a more cost-effective alternative. So if you're looking for something to save a bit of space, these twin or triple stage systems can be a great choice. So these systems combine sediment, carbon, and sometimes KDF filters, if metals are a concern, to improve taste and remove a significant percentage of contaminants in your water. Now, when choosing one of these systems, look for one with a 1.0 micron pleated sediment pre-filter and 1 or 2 0.5 micron activated carbon block filters. This combination will effectively remove sediment, chlorine, and its byproducts, pesticides, petrochemicals, not eliminating fluoride, but it's going to help. And same with toxic metals, it's going to help a lot with things like copper and lead. Keep in mind that the efficiency of carbon filters declines with use as the absorption sites on the cartridge become saturated. So be sure to replace these filters before the manufacturer's recommended use-by date, just to ensure you're still getting good filtering. An undersink system like this will set you back anywhere around $200 to $600. And you can also purchase a benchtop model for these systems as well. So our third option is a single stage system. And these are going to be your most budget-friendly options. When you're looking for one of these, a 1.0 micron pleated sediment pre-filter and a 1.0 micron or less activated carbon block filter are what you're going to want to look for. Now, these are going to be less effective than reverse osmosis or multi-stage filters, but it will still significantly reduce many common contaminants and improve water taste and odor. An under sink system like this will set you back less than $200, and you can also purchase benchtop models in this price range as well. Now, some additional top tips. Remember to replace your filters according to the manufacturer's recommendations or earlier to ensure optimal performance and prevent bacterial growth. So regular maintenance is critical to enjoy clean, safe water with your filter. When storing and carrying your filtered water, opt for glass, stainless steel, or US-made ceramic containers just to maintain purity and avoid any contaminants leaching for any plastic containers, for example, that you might put it in. If you opt for a plumb system, take the time to find a certified professional who will do a great job, as it can be pretty easy to make mistakes during the installation of some of these units. So let us know if you'd like a recommendation in your area. Choosing the right water filter doesn't have to be overwhelming. By considering your budget, your portability needs, your available space, your specific contaminants, what your water source is, and your household size, you can find the perfect solution to keep your drinking water safe and delicious. Now, if you need any help along the way, please don't hesitate to ask for advice. That's what we're here for. You can also check out the links below for our recommended products and an analysis of the pros and cons of all the other water filter options that are out there.